Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
U lampang ka yeng Dorbar thawan ka jela u Thomas e sangma. Ulong ba kajing Shon dor irade ne ban ring dor irade hapo yeng Dorbar thawan ka jela bat bu akiran san social media. Kalong ka bapen khen ki kindon bakum ki dokhat hapo yeng Dorbar ki di ban le katkum ka kindon arspa nyu pusan jong ka rules of procedure and conduct of business. Kumta ulam phang ulupintip bakat kum ka kindon lai spa khatsan jong ka rules of procedure and conduct of business. Kum kini jing Shon dor selfie ni ring dor yelade habadang kran hapo yeng Dorbar kalong ka balak Khang Pyrshah. Ya kani ka kindon ulam phang ulakran halor ka jing yo ka jing ujor bakidon ki dokhat ka yeng Dorbar thawan ka ba Shon dor yelade bat pelat akirin san social media ka belawan ra ka jing sha kan tho haki babun namar ka jing pen khen ya ki kindon an.
It has been brought to my notice, honourable members, it has been brought to my notice that one honourable member had taken a selfie video of himself while participating in the proceedings inside the House yesterday and circulated in the social media. This is a breach of parliamentary practice and decorum and also not in keeping with the spirit of the rules to be observed by the members as provided under Rule 275 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business. Therefore, in exercise of the Rule 315 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business, I hereby would like to inform the House that such activity of a member taking video of himself while speaking inside the House and circulating in social media is prohibited. This is my ruling. Now we take up